Hi ladies, today we are discussing all things Andi Reversible Bikini Top. So this is a brand new top. It is done in the same fabric as our classic wrap bikini tops, but obviously a very different cut. It is still reversible, but the beauty about this top is it's for the women who like to wear what's considered more of a classic style bikini. They don't like to have too much fabric meeting at the midsection here. They want it sitting where a normal bikini top would, with an underbust right there, and it gives you that same lift, if not more, than our classic wrap bikini top. So let's talk coverage and lift. Normally my busts, they're quite small. I'm not going to get this amount of lift if I'm just wearing a bralette or like a really standard triangle bikini style top. But this is giving me a lot of lift and almost push up as well. Well, definitely push up, you can see that. But the intention of this design is to really be able to carry you from swim really comfortably into something a little more active where you will need that full support, because this top should really hold you in. Like I was showing before, I'm running around and while boobs are doing what they're doing, they're bouncing, they're not spilling out all over the place, and they're definitely not feeling painful while I'm being active. You can see at the back, it's quite low cut. You've got a nice, low, elegant scoop. It sits comfortably on the shoulders. And then at the front, you've got ample amount of coverage to hold the ladies in and not feel like you're exposing too much. However, if you are more on the side where you do like that lift and show a bit of cleavage, this top is perfect for you. If you feel like you don't have the largest bust, this top is also perfect as well. What I really love about this top is it can carry someone from like an A cup all the way through to a H cup and do really well, even considering it doesn't have the underwiring or padding that maybe a sports or activewear or really supportive normal bra would have. Now, like so many of our pieces, this is of course reversible. I'm currently wearing the Eden Andi top with the solid green, that juniper green on one side. We've got the logo featured on the front. And then you've got this underbust band, which is strappy. If you don't like the look of this underbust band, something I really love to do with this top is it's pretty simple. You just tuck it in. You can do that all the way around. And we designed it so that the underbust band could do this really comfortably as well. And there you have almost a new top. But what I still really love about it is how kind of seamless it sits on the body. It just feels very sleek, but very supportive at the same time. One thing you will notice when you first put the top on is it is quite firm. Again, if you've experienced any of our other swim pieces, you'll know that when you first put one of these pieces on, especially considering it's made from our same sculpting fabric, it's going to take a bit of time to soften and mold to your shape. So initially putting it on might feel like a bit of a squeeze, but if you've got your right size, it should go on pretty comfortably, sit pretty comfortably once you're in it. Now let's reverse her. Now that she's fully reversed, you can see her in all her glory. I am wearing the Andi bikini top in Eden. So we've got the Eden print on this side. And once again, if you don't like that stripe detailing in the underbust, you can comfortably just roll it up. Into a brand new top. Now on the reverse side, it's very normal to have the tag here. All of our pieces are reversible, but we still need to put sizing somewhere. So normally a tag is featured on the print side. So like so many of our pieces, the Andi top is not limited to just the beach or pool. You can pair it with some pants or a skirt. We've got our gorgeous Dahlia skirt you can pair it with, or our Bibiana dress that you can style as a skirt and wear it out to a nice lunch. You can style it just as I have here with our Andi swim shorts, which is a really cute little activewear look, or with our classic high waist bottoms. I'm going to actually pop them on because so many of you have been asking to see the Andi top with our ultra high waist bottoms. So let me do that for you now. So I've just popped our ultra high waist bikini bottoms on. You can see there's a lot less skin showing here. That's because the bottoms go so much higher than our classic Andi high waist shorts. I've also got the underbust tucked in at the moment, so I'll untuck that so you can see really how close together these pieces are when worn together. It almost looks like a one piece. So if you like it looking almost like a one piece, if this works for you, then perfect. The top is really good if you liked the concept of our wrap bikini top and ultra high waist bottoms together, but you didn't like how much fabric met in this midsection. The beauty of this is that you can pop this top on and it shouldn't overlap this fabric. So you're not feeling like there's that much fabric meeting in the mid center. However, this will of course differ on different torso lengths. On mine, you can see that the fabric's pretty much kissing. So it feels really comfortable. I can get that one piece look, but really have two separate pieces. Now I've grabbed the shorts here because I just want to show you a really clear demonstration of the difference in fabric length between the high waist shorts and the ultra high waist bottoms when pairing with the Andi top. So right now you can see there's a good amount of difference here. You've got about 4 to 5 centimeters of extra fabric on those ultra high waist bikini bottoms, and on the shorts, they're sitting where a traditional pair of high waisted bottoms should sit, which is right around the waist, pretty much where the belly button is. And so if you would prefer it with a little less fabric covering the midsection, I'd definitely opt for our Andi shorts. However, if you like that ultra high waist look, definitely go for our ultra high waist bikini bottoms. So like I said, you can wear this top with pretty much anything. It's not limited to just the water side. You can pair it with some nice smart pants, one of our cute skirts to look like a matching set, or you can wear it just as intended, pair it with maybe one of our long sleeve wrap tops to get ready for a beautiful day by the beach.